FedEx just dropped off my Boss ATV80. And we are going to unbox it and see how it differs from the 20, because the 80 just came out and I don't see anybody else doing an unboxing. Well, forget taking it out. So we're just going to go straight into this box, like so. You got your user manual here. As you can see, it's 700 watts, all-terrain, waterproof, 8-inch speakers. And so we get in here, and we'll go through that in a second. But let's get the actual speaker out. And there you go. What we should have in here is the power plug and the audio video cable. Well, audio cable. Then we have the straps, a female 12 volt in case you want to hook up to a battery, some zip ties, and this is the little bag you can put your iPod in. Now with that being said, I'm going to go get the ATV20 and cut out for a second. We'll come right back and we'll do a comparison. So as you can see, we have the ATV20 side by side with the ATV80, and because everyone's gonna ask, I'm powering it with a dry battery in a dry box. Normally I'd have this in the box to keep it dry when we're on the water, but for this comparison I'm going to keep it outside. We're going to power up the 20 here, and we're going to go ahead and come over here and measure these out. So we're at 31 inches on the 80, or 26 inches on the 20, by about 9 inches and about 8 inches, or 9 inches on this one, by a depth of about a foot, really. And then because I'm probably going to take these and change out the speaker for a better performing speaker, we're going to take them apart so you can get an idea of the size of the opening, so you can pick an appropriate speaker. There you go. So on the 20 we have just about 6 inches. On the 80 we have about 7 3/8. There you go. Hope this helps.